Matthew, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Can I open the door?
Matthew, sit still.
You don't want to go inside the door?
$2 per person, 50 cents for adult children.
We're going over that in your voice, aren't we?
Matthew! What's he doing? Matthew!
Don't lean out. It's a big drop. Ow! 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 Drop. No!
Here we are! Everybody, uh-oh. Skyline! God, these idiots have been walking around all day doing that. They actually sat in that lunch behind us. Okay, they've gone. Becky! Becky! Becky!
What?
What are they?
Gooses.
Gooses?
Yeah.
Are you feeding them?
Yeah.
Don't give them your whole bag.
Don't get him in the eye either.
That's enough.
I think when you feed them.
No! Oh, I thought she had her hand there. Alright then, let's see what else there is. Who's that? Matthew! Daniel and Auntie Julie!
Hello.
Okay, where are we? And Becky? Where are we?
Symbio's Koala Park. We were just about to go and see a cow give birth. I just want to rewind that. Birth cow will Bob give his sister because we're not going just now. We're going to go about 12:30. Apparently these cows are birth on the dog. So we're going to pick up a few tips.
We're going over the Tasmanian Devils and Wombats in there. Probably going to be a bit dark, but we'll see. Here we go.
There's some gators.
He's probably patting on that. He's walking around for you. Can't see it this one. That's the wombat.
The wombat. You want to come and get the bar and go
He's not showing his face, but this one might. Doo-doo-doo. This is a hairy-nosed wombat, this one. Oh. Okay, Mr. Hairy Nose. Julie, make this wombat turn around. Julie, make this wombat turn around. I need to see its hairy nose. Oh, I guess I could come over there. I want to see its hairy nose.
Okay. Turn around. Wombat.
It's going to the...
Can I wombat?
Don't stick your fingers in there. It's already eating, Becky.
Look at Jack feeding frenzy. Ready?
Ready?
Frenzy.
Ready?
Oh.
Black one's a pig. But the white one's so little and also fat. You don't get anything on them.
Watch him grab my bag. Matthew! Sheep!
So you're too little to jump up.
Sheep!
It's like a cross between a...
Sheep!
What's that look like? Little lamb?
Oh. Look at that one over there.
Look at this, Matthew. Look.
Julie.
What?
You touch that sheep, Matthew. Take that dummy out your mouth.
Ta-da!
What is that? Sheep! Oh, don't bite. Oh, that's a sheep. Oh, is that nice? You like sheep.
I saw some
12:30.
kangaroos out there.
Okay, let's go. Say bye. These are like fallow deer. Fallow deer. They're all down there behind these fences. There we go. Hello.
Hello.
Hey, hi.
Hello, fellow.
Hello, fellow.
What a pretty fellow.
He got me too.
Ha ha ha.
Oh, Matthew, bro.
What's Matthew eating?
Dear snot.
Kissed the deer, did he? What's funny? What are you encouraging him to do now?
Oh, Daniel.
I'm going to sneeze.
You are?
There's a kangaroo! Hop in.
Yeah.
Over there.
Yeah.
Look, behind that tree. He's stopped now. There he is. He's stopped. He's looking round.
Come over there.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of them. So, well, it's not really a novelty.
Let's go this way. Follow this way.
Which way are you going? We're going this way. That way forward, backward.
Follow me.
It's a bit windy today, isn't it? All right, I'll follow you. Oh, she's a jolly good fellow. She's a jolly good fellow. She's a jolly good fellow. So say all of us. Come on. Where's the lamb? Where's the little boy that had the lamb? That's her feeding time, the lamb. Where's Matthew go? There he is. Go with Matthew to go and stroke the lamb. Go on. Come on, Matthew. Matthew! Take him to stroke the lamb.
One right here.
Here comes one.
Becky, look.
Here, Mum. Where are they going? Where are they going?
There's snakes around there.
Okay.
In that tin.
Hoping they'll resurface.
The one sheep's having a bit of a...
There's a couple mountain that Daffy don't care. There he is. Hi, howdy, Becky, look at Matthew. Look what he's doing. He's going to eat the food himself. Recognise that one? Yeah. Recognise the screen. Daniel, get back the right way round. You tap in there you go, because it can smell the food. Look by these little things.
Now it's dirty.
Lucky got any. I'll get this little one here. Hold on, I'm going to pick him up. Or you going to pick him up? Pick up that little one. Recording. Go on, stroke them. They're gorgeous, aren't they? I feel like Dr. Dolittle, you know. I can walk through the alley. Hey.
Matthew, right.
It's been very hot, isn't it? Maybe we should put their house on.
Becky,
For another walk.
bring him back over here.
Come back here with him. Come on. Here we go.
Becky.
Becky!
Okay, may as well start then. I'll just tell you what you're going to be doing this afternoon. First of all, you start off bottle feeding our lambs and goats here. So once you finish that, we've got some reptiles here for you to have a look at. You can get a closer look at them, maybe you can give them a pat if you like. And then we'll bring in our cow and our goats, and you can all have a go at milking them. We just want to see if everyone knows the difference between them. Get them started, you count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's your turn. Pass on to the next person. Try and keep it in their mouth, otherwise they will lose interest and run off. When you finish, if you take the lid off and bring the bottle out to us, and we'll give you some more milk.
1, 2, 3. Have we got it yet? 4, 5. Okay, Yeah, Becky has it now. Look at that.
Okay.
Matthew, have it after you, Becky. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let Matthew have a turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, we're a bit close here, to be honest. Matthew's got it all over here. Is that good? Becky, Becky, let the little boy have a go. He's going, ooh, Matthew, what are you doing? Matthew, what's happening? Jackie, move your head, I can't see you. Matthew, Becky, everyone look. Matthew, Becky, look at me. Becky, Becky, look up. Look at the camera. Say hi. Hi, everybody. Gosh, this is thirsty.
Oh, it feels weird.
What is it? Diamond python?
It's like a wire, you know, and it feels like Becca's
Support the head. Whoa, what have you got? Becky, did you have a go? What's this? A what?
It's a tile lizard.
A tile lizard, hi. Go and touch it, Becky.
The turtle's coming.
Becky, go touch him. Go on. Rebecca, go stroke it.
What is it, Ruth?
Why don't you touch his shell, Becky? Oh, Matthew, yeah. There we go.
It's so slow.
There's the old cow.
The other one is
This cow, wow, it's pregnant. It's in its tummy. Look how big her tummy is.
I think this is the one.
Oh, it is. Look at the size of her stomach on it. It's all drooping down there. Well, she's a biggie. Oh, Clarabelle.
Kids do that.
Pregnant, and they're hoping, from Juicy yesterday, hoping she's not going to give birth today. We hope she does now. Haven't got that in her face today. Oh yeah, it's a good gush. Got it, Jack. Did you get that? You can sit in and moo. What's the cow say? What's the cow say, Matthew? You say? Matthew, what's that?
What is that?
What is that?
Becky?
We'll get our
Becky?
preschool group to come down
You gonna milk the cow?
first, while the older children
Gonna milk the
start
cow?
on the goat, and then you can swap around.
Go on in. In a minute.
Becky, go milk the cow.
Go on then, over you go. Go.
Chuck it off with your hands.
Squeeze it hard. Both hands, it coming?
There we go.
Oh, did you get some? They're stuffed. Look, what is the only one this side of the fence, so it's probably been fed up to the nines. Doesn't want any food. Matthew, it's a kangaroo, look at love. Yeah, see, these are inside, they obviously want feeding. Here comes one. Hello, Joey. Woo. They're gentle, aren't they?
This one is big enough for a kangaroo. These must be
Wallaby. Not ugly enough either. Some kangaroos are really ugly. Look at there. We'll probably come across a whole host of them in a minute. Yeah, feeding time.
This one's escaped then.
Yeah, that one has. It's obviously climbed over. Seems a bit docile too. But then they are nocturnal. So they're supposed to be sleeping at this time of the day.
Close up on that one's couch there.
Through the fence.
Really?
Look at yourself. Hey?
Hey, kangaroo!
Hey, you! What are you doing? Matthew, with it.
Hello. What are you looking at? Boing boing. Say boing boing.
Kangaroo.
Boing boing. Boing boing. Boing boing. Boing boing boing. There was something special tucked away in here. Can we see? Has he gone back in?
Yeah, I'll come back out.
Where is he?
Baby, baby.
Baby, baby.
Tickle his tummy.
Yeah, right. Have a wallaby
Hey
butt.
baby. Not coming. Feed the kangaroo while the mother's being fed the baby. Come on, baby. Come on, poke your little head out.
Baby.
Go back a bit. There's a little Joey in there.
Matthew.
He just had his little head out, but he's gone back in. It's when it moves that it wobbles it a bit, so it comes out.
Matthew, what's
No, Becky, don't poke the kangaroo.
Where's your baby?
I missed it. I didn't
Where's
get
your
it.
baby?
By the time I got down here, he'd gone back in. Zoom in a bit.
No, the baby.
Gone back in.
Becky went the baby.
Kangaroo, oh, look at that. Great. What a view. Oh, that looks nice and snug in there, doesn't it? Oh.
Did this baby try to get back in?
Yeah, where?
Oh, look, it's
Well, let him get back in then. Here we go. Told you they come out and then get back in. There's two babies. Oh, battery, battery. Get back in. You going in? Oh, look at that. Quick, before the battery goes. He's just warming his head up. Come on then, in you go. He's going for a drink. There he goes. This will be amazing. Quick, come on. We want this on video. Get in.
Ow, this has got claws in me.
I think he's trying to just get a drink.
Hey, Matthew, you want to hold it? There's one in this one as well. Hold your hand out.
Almost. Okay, it's the wrong shape. They're not as rounded as the rugby ball.
Some birds are really full up. See, they're not really interested in that man's got one on him. Actually, we came one day with Dave and I were company with them.
I'll get one off the ground.
That'd be good for a green. It's just sitting there. Go on, see? That's how you do it. Just stand with your hand out and it'll come and get it off.
So what is that, a lorikeet?
Yes. Well, it's alright, he'll come to you in a minute. There you go. Keep your hand still. Keep your hand still. There you go.
Yeah, well when he lands, that's okay. When he lands, put your jumper on.
Here's one. Look, there's bunches here.
He might see me.
Don't move, because if you move, I'll try and put my head. And Adam and I just snorkel on by being totally quiet.
Don't you just sit there quiet and put your hand out.
Then with them, I'll
See the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Here's a lady, Becky, she won't mind. Look at Becky pilfering, just a minute. Where is she? Pilfering more seed. There she is. She's pilfering the seed, because we didn't bring any. Caught on camera. Did you say thank you? Thank you. Did you get so? You have to stand really still, Becky.
Everybody knows. It's finished there.
We're at Green Patch, by the way. I might pan around in a minute. We're hoping to see some kangaroos in the wild. These are all the birds. Lorikeets, where's the glass? There's the glass. Beautiful pink things with, well, you know, a bit of pink on them, white and grey. Of course, all I can see is black and white, no? How you doing? Stand up like a tree. That's it, keep real still. Make great trees, don't they? Not a teapot, a tree. And Matthew. Hi, Matthew. And Auntie Jackie. And over here we have Becky. Becky, you've got to put your hand out so the birds can see it. You have to put your hand out like a tree. Like I told you. Where have you gone? Okay. If you don't put your hand out, they won't get you.
They started to sing just when coming in, there's a curfew. 10 o'clock, so I said no, so when we go for the gates you can't sing.
Put your hand out high and out. That's it, just like that. Keep them there. Just like that, that's it. Keep still. I see any through this. Trouble is, can't distinguish the colour. No. There ain't one at all in that. Yes, there is. Spot the birds. Where's all the birds in the trees? There's one over there. Look.
Mummy.
Beautiful red one. Yes, Becky. Let's see them. Didn't you? Well, you will do if you just keep your hands still, like that little girl there. See that little girl there? That little girl there's got one. Go stand very still with your hands near her. The bird will come across thinking you've got something nice. I'll just have a pan around. Patch. Part of Jervis Bay. Beautiful beach. We can't see the beach from here, but it's just a picnic area. It's a very popular part. Uh-oh! Look what we found. The birds. The birds are what? Tired? There we go. And over there in the distance there is the sea. I don't think you can see it. Oh. No. Can you see any sea through there? You look hard enough, you should be able to.
You've got to stand still in one place.
Are you waving